The first months of 2026 will be packed with a lot of releases from DJI. Leakers like Quadro News or Jasper Ellens have been sharing images and details about 4 new products that are set to come out in the first half of next year. In this video, we will cover the most anticipated and long-awaited one, the Pocket 4, which might unexpectedly come in 2 variants, the Pocket 4 Pro and the regular Pocket 4. As you can see in this image shared by Osita LV on X, we can notice 2 new gimbals that don't have the Osmo badge under the screen, unlike the Pocket 3, which is in the middle. The one on the left should be the Pro model, and it's the same we saw last September in other leaks. But the other one on the right seems to have a smaller camera module, featuring a single camera setup. The regular Pocket 4 is shaping to be the real Pocket 3 successor, but the most exciting one is the Pro variant, with a significantly bigger camera module that houses an additional zoom lens. Speaking about the design, while it might look very similar overall, we can notice 2 new buttons that can be revealed when the screen is rotated horizontally, and there are reports of a new frame tap remote, which could be a sort of remote compatible with these new gimbals. Speaking about the camera hardware, the main lens should still be powered by a 1-inch sensor, which is rumored to be 50 megapixels. And according to Drone XL, it might be able to record up to 6K at 60 frames per second, and in 4K at 240 frames per second, with 10-bit and D-Log-M support. The battery will also be upgraded from 1300 to 1545 mAh. Considering how powerful this camera appears to be, the price could also be higher. According to Drone XL, it will range between $600 and $700 depending on the bundles. But unfortunately, nothing is confirmed about the release date. I would personally say we might see it come out in the first quarter of 2026, considering we got the first FCC reports in October, and the testing appears to have reached a pretty advanced phase. Make sure you're subscribed to not miss any new update through the channel's posts. I select the most reliable sources to provide everything you need to know about the upcoming releases with videos every week.